Alright guys, we are going to be making some Jamaican beef patties. So I have in here 4 cups of all-purpose flour. I'm going to be adding 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder, and that's primarily for the color of the crust. Then I'm going to be adding a teaspoon of salt. Don't want our crust to be too salty now. Mix that in. Two tablespoons of Crisco. And then we're going to be adding just 2 tablespoons of butter. What this is going to do is that it helps your crust to be as flaky as possible. And now we're just going to mix everything together until it's kind of bready, almost look like breadcrumbs. It's very simple. Y'all can make your own beef patty. You see how it starts looking? Very breadcrumbs like. That's what we want. That's a good sign. So for the 4 cups of flour, it's 2 cups of ice cold water. Just go, and then basically you're just going to knead it as you would if you're making some nice cornmeal dumpling. Alright, just mix it all together. Once I'm finished with this, I'm going to rest it in the fridge. Let it stay, because you always want to keep your dough cold. Don't leave it out room temperature. So you put it in the fridge, and again that helps with how your crust is going to come out. I'm going to wrap this in some plastic wrap. Rest it back in here, and I'm going to put it in the fridge. Alright, so now I'm looking about the seasoning for the beef. In the curry chicken video I mentioned that I didn't have the luxury of finding these. I found them, but it just smells fake, you know back home when you take a Scotch bonnet pepper and smell it, you're not going to have to put it up your nose so much, and you can tell say this not hot, this not smell hot. So pepper, onion, garlic, and that's for beef. Guys, I think it's pepper, but I burning it. Maybe add a tupsa, oh Jesus, water in there. And just like I said, I'm gonna go in the beef and put it back on the bullet. Going to be doing my beef. Put that in. Let it time. And you can pretty much season this to your liking, guys. Don't necessarily have to do it for I'm doing it. So I'm mixing it like that. Of course, you don't have to put a cooked ginger in there. We want this to be nice and flavorful. We'll add our blend. And the thing is, make sure when you're making the filling, if it is that you're doing beef or whatever you're doing, make sure it's not too dry, because remember it's meant to be going in the oven. Once this is finished cooking, I'm going to take it off and leave it to cool, because you don't want it to be too hot when you're putting it in your patties, right? I'm gonna put some flour on the area that I'm going to be rolling it out. I'm just gonna add some flour as I mentioned earlier. It's a bit sticky. And then I'm just gonna fold it. Now a trick in getting your crust flaky is to fold it when you're rolling it. And then before you do that, when you're kneading it, you just keep folding it. Alright? Just gonna cut. And I'll show you something. If you notice how it looks here, and that's how you get your flakes. Alright? That's how you know that you're gonna have a really nice crust. And if you're like me, the crust is what makes the patty real good. I'm just gonna roll this out. And as you do it, if it's sticking, make sure you have a container with some flour, which makes it easier. You just keep it helps it not to stick as much. For me, it was literally trial. Alright, so it's nice and thin, and I'm just using improvise. You just need a round thing. Some persons just fold as they go along. Just fold it and then cut it out in a like square or something. Just take this off. So this is what the beef is looking like. It's not too dry, but it's not dry, which is good. You don't want it dry. So I'm just going to fill. Just gonna fill that. Fold it like this, and then you're going to use your fork.
Look good already.
You could eat it already, babe.
Look ready.
Use your fork and just seal the ends. So I'm just going to do this method over and over. And I'm using, put it on my sheet here. Again, and don't put too much, because as it bakes, it will spread out how it's supposed to. So you don't want to put too much filling in there, then it starts, see, bursting at the seam. And if it spills a little on your work area, that's fine, no biggie. And that goes there. So it's all done. So now it goes in the oven for 20 minutes.
I can't wait. Oh my God.
So I'll see you guys back after these.
This one is mine.
So guys, I must tell you, I decided to do the fold and butter, fold and butter, fold and butter on these. So we'll be able to compare to see which one is flakier, which method you prefer. All right, see you when they're done. The patties are all done.
Patties are done. And fatty Derville. Sick of a greedy.
Let me see.
So this is it.
Right. So
Yeah.
you see guys, you can see like layers right here of the flakes.
Yeah, of course, as you try again, you perfect your crust.
Yeah.
But this is well cooked, it's well done.
It's well cooked. This one, as a fold, I layer it with butter for the crust.
Never mind. I'll bite into it. Everything else very well. Ooh. The beef is so nicely done. With the blended seasonings and stuff.
How's the spice?
It's medium.
Okay. Was that good or needed to be?
If you're using Scotch bonnet pepper though, I think you should use
The,
half.
the real one, because the one we used was not as hot.
This is really good though.
Yeah?
Yeah. It's really moist.
Okay.
Yeah. Tasha's homemade patties.
So babe, now can you try one of the others? Too fat. So when you hear me ask Derville if you can go try one of the others without, look at the crust guys. See that flake? That's what you want. Now I ask Derville if I'm gonna try one next one. No, I'm too fat. Now I'm over there beg me piece of my patty. I think we must give him. Yo guys, not because I made this. The first one cannot be compared. The first 2 times I made it can't be compared. This is so good. Oh my goodness. So this is the one. Again, I folded it a couple times and I did not put the butter, the extra butter on this one. Guys, I wish you could taste this.
It's really good.
I'm not even kidding.
So the flakes came out better on this one without the butter in between.
Yeah. So you can decide what you want to do. First time I made this, which was probably a month ago. My husband gave me 7 out of 10. What you said tonight, babe?
9.2.
9 point. So no know me I try again because I'm not reached 10 yet. Him said 9.2, but this is really, really good. I hope you guys try it at home and let me know how yours turned out. Cheers.